Something a lot of millennials are skipping is life insurance. Not because they're too young to need it, but because it can be so confusing. Jimmy Rhoades is here to untangle that twisted web with Life Insurance 101. Hey, Jimmy, what's the deal?
You get life insurance because death is inevitable. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We don't really do death on this show, so whenever I mean to say death, I'm going to say puppies instead. That's more our brand. I enlisted some help for a basic explainer on life insurance.
I think people assume it's way more complex than it is.
Matthew Wolf from Haven Life is breaking it down, starting with question 1. Who needs life insurance anyway?
Life insurance isn't something that everybody needs.
Just ask yourself this simple question. When the grim puppy arrives,
if you were to pass away, would there be someone who would be impacted financially?
If the answer is yes, start shopping. The first fork in the road is term versus permanent. Term life insurance is exactly what the name says.
Term insurance is purely about covering yourself in the event that you were to die.
The payout to survivors only kicks in if you puppy within a set term.
It's a basic form of protection that covers you for a period of time, 20 years, 30 years.
When that term is up, you stop paying, the benefits go away, and that's that. If, in addition to covering your loved ones, you also want to build equity, check out permanent life insurance.
Permanent insurance you would use if you wanted to accumulate value of some kind.
To recap, term is solely for protection. Permanent also has an investment aspect. The other difference? Term insurance is usually way cheaper.
Permanent insurance can be 5 to 20 times more expensive than that.
Okay, less expensive is good, but free is even better. So what about that free employer-provided insurance I get for just checking a box?
A lot of companies will provide some free form of insurance, and that tends to be something like 1 times your salary. But that tends to not be enough. I mean, if you were to pass away, that's really only providing enough income for your family to make it another year.
How about checking that other box for more and having the premium deducted from my paycheck?
Sometimes you have the option to buy additional coverage through work, but often those policies are more expensive.
If you're healthy, there's a good chance you'll find a better deal, so fire up those interwebs. But make sure those online sites are backed by brick and mortar.
There's a lot of online purveyors out there, but when you're looking around, it's definitely important to look at who is backing that company. What are you really buying a product from?
30 years is a long time, so make sure the policy you're buying online is backed by a legacy company that has stood the test of time. They say there's no avoiding puppies and taxes, so knowing the basics of life insurance is what's the deal.